Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App Please Try Again later. So the first thing that we have to remember here when we're actually fixing this issue for Cash App is we want to make sure that we actually have the best internet connection at the moment. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, you'll be noticed that you'll have problems on accessing Cash App. So you just need to connect to another network that's actually stable, and from there you could try accessing Cash App again. If you have a stable internet connection and you're still having issues on accessing Cash App, or you're still receiving the please try again later pop up again on Cash App, then you want to actually try the another method that we'll be showing you. So the other method you could actually do is you want to actually connect to a VPN. So a VPN that I actually recommend you is using the Thunder VPN. So as long the VPN has a connection to the US network, then this is actually pretty good. So as long as it's connecting to a server in the US, this will work. So from here, just click on connect and try accessing your Cash App application. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.